Hello, and welcome back to our BirdDog Cloud tutorial series. I'm your host, Jake Fineman, and today we're about to dive into the future of collaborative post-production, streaming from Adobe Premiere with the brand new BirdDog Cloud Transmitter plugin. I'll show you how to stream your program output and timeline directly from Adobe through BirdDog Cloud to your mobile devices, smart TVs, and even BirdDog Plays for a live, real-time, and worldwide collaborative review and approval process. Ready to explore? Let's jump right in. First, we'll start with Premiere and ensure our new BirdDog Cloud Transmitter plugin is on and activated. Let's head over to Edit, Preferences, and select Playback Devices. Once in the Playback menu, we'll want to enable the video and audio stream for the Cloud Transmitter. Next, we'll open up the new Cloud Extension panel. We've built an extension panel directly into Adobe for easy access, creation, and control of streams to our Cloud Connect groups. These groups function as our editor to producer viewing streaming rooms. The extension panel is easily accessible from the window drop-down menu inside Premiere. With the extension panel up and running, the editor selects the group that they want to stream into and logs in with the group's password. On the source selection page, we will choose Premiere as the program output confidence monitor source and screen capture as the desktop display of the timeline. We can enable two-way communication between the editor and the producer by selecting the editor's NDI web camera as an additional source for this setup. Next, we'll switch to the configuration page to set the style for the picture-in-picture split, set the desired bitrate and encoding profile, lock in the output format and frames per second, and finally set a display name for the stream. I'll choose a 50-50 split at 10 megabits per second in 1080p 30 and call this my Monterey Bay edit. All the editor has to do is press go live. The stream is now ready to be viewed on our Cloud Connect apps, BirdDog Play, or even a web browser. Let's check it out. Jumping into the Cloud Connect app on my iPad, we input the password for the group, and there it is. Our editor's session is available to be streamed. After pressing play, we will see our project live and in real time. If we enable the FaceTime camera, that stream appears directly in the return monitor in the Premiere extension, enabling direct communication all within one ecosystem. It gets even better. For further customization, the producer can swipe and switch between the picture-in-picture or a full screen of the program or timeline for a perfect personalized viewing experience. And there you have it. This partnership with Adobe allows us to extend remote production collaborative editing capabilities to new heights. Today we've covered the extension panel, selecting BirdDog Cloud Playout output, customizing our streaming setup, and even how to use the Cloud Connect app for live monitoring and communication. I hope you'd enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Be sure to join us again for even more workflows and collaborative solutions with BirdDog Cloud. If you'd like to explore more about BirdDog and our ecosystem of industry-changing solutions, please visit our website at birddog.tv. If you have any questions or need further information on the topics we've covered today, please contact us at hello@birddog.tv. For our BirdDog community who might need technical support, drop us a line at help@birddog.tv. We're always here to help. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating amazing content. See you in the next episode. Until then, happy producing.